Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now type c : and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 config regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.